because when most people today look at the founding fathers, we often think, well, those were really secular guys, right? These are guys that didn't really believe in faith or God. Now, my dad walked through some of this already. I just want to remind you of a few of these thoughts, and then there's a lot more direction we're going to go. The very first time the founding fathers came together, right? September 6, 1774, the very first motion was to open with prayer. Now, remember, John Adams is the one who wrote Abigail about this. And John Adams says it was Thomas Cushing who made the very first motion. And when he made the motion, there was some debate because we weren't sure that we could all agree together. Then Sam Adams stood up and he said, he's no bigot. And as long as we choose a man who fears God and loves his nation, then that man can lead us in prayer. And he suggested the Reverend Jacob Duché. And actually, the painting you're looking at, September 6th was the first meeting. But this is when they have the discussion, the debate. So they send for the Reverend Jacob Duché. He doesn't show up till the next morning. So this painting is depicting what happened the next morning, September 7th, but it's known as the opening prayer of Congress. And the records of Congress, and by the way, the guys who were there all kept journals, including John Adams, and the records of Congress indicate that opening prayer lasted for 2 hours.